Hey guys, it's Derek, back at it again on the exact same day that I woke up at 4 a.m. It's now 5:30 p.m. It's been a long day. I took a nap. Side tangents, side tangents. Anyways, I've done quite a lot of progress on my site. So firstly, I'll just show you what I've done based on the past. I've now, what did I do? Haha, nah. Okay, now I've added all the drop-down links. So you can see there's Webflow development, about, works, and free resources. So there it is. Let's take a look at all the service pages, which is now done as well. I've just kept the exact same style as my old website because I like it. Why not? Here, Webflow development services, then a supporting paragraph with get started and view works. This, obviously, I'll update this to be YouTube comments, but 5-star rating, 120 plus happy clients, 1,000 YouTube comments, 35 verified Google reviews. I mean, it's just stats, Below this, I'm probably going to put some sort of video. Then we just have this repeated logo marquee, which is built in a CMS. And now I have a new toggle in the back end where it features in like the homepage or this section right here. But I'm also going to have another section on my testimonial page where it'll just have all the logos that I want to feature. Recently built Webflow site, so this is the exact same as the homepage. No crazy black transition, although I can easily do that. It's pretty cool how it contrasts well with black and white, so just keep it clean right here. And then this will be Swiper.js, I'm imagining, with like the next arrows. Then keeping the old animations like Webflow text right here, followed by the actual services in detail, followed by promoting my Webflow course. And right now I'm thinking, because I haven't even started this, but might as well just release it. And when you hit learn more, it's just going to take you to a different page, a landing page, but it's just going to be coming soon. Register your interest. Or I can do a thing where it says join waitlist here as well. So I'm not sure what to do. Perhaps join waitlist is not a bad idea. No, not bad idea, la. Anyways, another logo right here. Wait, this is not a logo. This is the YouTube comments, followed by the tutorials, followed by this specific testimonial featured, which I just copied and pasted from my old site, but obviously fixed up the code. Then these images, which I'll update because I do have updated images, but I do like this design right here. And then followed by FAQs. So these are just questions right here, followed by that component where it says any further questions, contact me. So I do like this layout. And even if I don't, I'm going to get it out there. Here's some CTA images, which I'm planning to update based on what the page is. Then we have that special effect, which I want to just copy from my old site. So that's the particle.js flying up and stuff. So that's that. Then we have website design, which pretty much follows the exact same layout, just talking about websites. Here, the tutorial is being filtered just by design. Then the next page is graphic design right here, which I'm just going to start out. Might as well just start offering it as a service. Where before it was like previously I was a graphic designer, but here it is. I'm gonna put my past works right here, probably with a filter, and then exact same layout as all the service pages, so that's fine and dandy. Then we have the Webflow course. I just want to repeat it. It's there, it's everywhere. So about, we have get to know me. This is more personal right here. And then because you clicked on get to know me, it's like, sure, you want to learn about me, you pervert, which I think I explained in the previous video. So these are now 6 or 9 videos. I think you guys already seen this, so that's fine. Testimonials right here, or reviews. Again, I follow this really nice layout that I personally like with the wreath. And it says write me a review or contact me. And then I'm just going to put a bunch of testimonials, probably all of them, hopefully with schema markup. And then a button that just says load more, so it just keeps loading. So that's CMS load under, CMS load. And then here is like keeping this cool, spinning effect with just more logos that I'll add to the CMS, and then CTA, or images, then CTA. Then we have recommendations. So this is a new page that I just thought of in my head right here, just building on this specific, what's it called, sitemap. I just rejigged it a bit more. So I'm like, originally I wanted some sort of like affiliate links and directory and like a donation page, but I'm just, I just combine it all in recommendations. And in the future, if I want to split it up, I'll split it up. But here it is. On the left, it's just personal links like join my newsletter, give me some donation, give me the money. It sounds so stupid. I don't know. I'm pretty tired. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyways, here's like some Teller affiliate links, Elfside affiliate links, my Webflow course right here again. And then here on the right-hand side, I'm imagining like some sort of network page where I can just promote people that I genuinely like, like my really good mate Linus Yam, who's a fantastic illustrator and branding specialist. So if anyone's looking for that, feel free to check out his website by clicking this button, which takes you to his website, and then just a bunch of other people I've worked with in the past. So here it is. Then the next page is contact me. So I've also added this just in case. You may notice I've repeated a couple of things, like for example, Webflow Course, it's right here as well. And contact me is right here as well. Let's talk. So hitting contact me right here takes you to the contact page, which I've just added this marquee in right here. I've updated the image on the right hand side. And I removed my email address because I think sometimes it gets spammed. I don't know. So now it's just here. That's my email address. You have to click on this. And you can also click this button, Discovery Call, to scroll down to book a discovery time with me. When I first started freelancing, like I didn't like, this is cool. Like I always recommend doing this, but it's very situational, you know, like do you even have the capacity to take in calls and stuff? Because taking the calls is like, it's a pain in the ass, you know what I mean? Like you have to, it's a different skill than what you're meant to be doing, you know, like as a freelancer, you do everything technically, which is amazing. But you know, you should be doing the work. Right? Like it depends, but like, you know, if you're a Webflow developer, ideally you should be only doing Webflow work. But because you're a freelancer, you have to then do marketing, then do like client calls, client reviews, all this random stuff. And that's why I was a bit hesitant using Calendly, but I have trialed using it, and might as well trial it again by putting it on my website, first time ever. Because in the past, I used to just email them or send them a message on Fiverr where I'll just send them my availabilities and then I'll book them in a calendar, but now they can just do it straight away. Then below this is that single testimonial followed by some images. And yeah, so we have case studies, website showcase, YouTube channel, which goes to my YouTube channel, articles, which is just like a blog page, glossary right here, which I showed you guys, and the in-depth page right here, which you've already seen. Same thing for free tutorials. And that's pretty much it, you know? So I think I'm like 65% done. I have to finish those pages and like put some time in putting on really nice imagery and making it mobile responsive. But so far, I'm pretty happy with this, and I just want to release it because every day it's not being released, it's just lagging and wasting. So yeah, thanks for watching. Probably gonna just take it easy for the rest of the day. I was very lucky, praise God, that somehow I got today to work on this, you know, because in the past, it's just I've been boggled down by client work, and I just kept saying I need to get this done. Because the way I see it is like I'm like what I do currently in this under the sun world is chop trees. You know, I have this axe, and I've been just chopping this tree to get the log. You know, but now the axe is kind of dull, or it's not really efficient anymore. So why not take some time to sharpen the axe? But by sharpening the axe, I can no longer chop any more trees. You know what I mean? It's a good analogy actually. And there's other stuff I can do. You know, I can eventually upgrade to a chainsaw. I can eventually, you know, hire people to help me chop down trees, but this is the step that I want to take, and I really want to release that course, and I think the website will be a good starting point. So hope I get this done. Thank you for listening. May peace be with you.